Hi, this video is to demonstrate how to construct confidence interval for the difference of two binomial proportions. First of all, we have the first binomial experiment with n equal to 200, and we observe 50 successes. And in the other binomial experiment, we have n equal to 100, and we observe 35 successes. Now, we would like to construct a 95% confidence interval for the difference between the population proportions. So it depends on how we define the proportions. We can define P1 to be the proportion of success in the first population, and P2 be the proportion of success in population 2. Okay, the difference can be P1 minus P2 or P2 minus P1. Anyway, let's consider P1 minus P2. To use the formula, we can use the formula given here. Okay, and from the equation, we have n1 equal to 200, n2 equal to 100, and then we can calculate the proportion of successes from the two experiments. So P1 hat equal to 50 divided by 200, which is 0.25. P2 is 35 divided by 100 is 0.35. To construct a 95% confidence interval, we need to get the Z critical value, which is 1.96. And the standard error is given by the square root of this term. So the lower confidence limit is P1 hat minus P2 hat minus Z alpha over 2 multiplied by the standard error, which is minus 0.2111. And the upper confidence limit for the difference is P1 hat minus P2 hat plus Z alpha over 2 multiplied by the standard error, and the answer is 0.0111. Now, to demonstrate how to use data analysis plus, we need to use the data analysis plus. First of all, we need to create the data. So from the first experiment, we have 50 successes out of 200 trials. So we need to create 50 ones, okay, followed by 150 zeros, altogether 200 values in a column. And to construct the X2 value, we have 35 successes. So we've made 35 ones, okay? So we can make 35 ones. Okay. Followed by 65 zeros. Now we have the data. Go to data analysis plus. Z estimate two proportions. We enter the value from the first experiment, which is X1. Now we enter the value for X2 with 100 values. Okay. Success is denoted by 1. And labels X1, X2. Okay. To construct a 95% confidence interval, alpha equal to 0.05. Okay. Okay. Spreadsheet, copy and paste here. Okay, and then we get the answer. Lower confidence limit is minus 0.021. The upper limit is 0.0111. And we can take 4 decimal places. Okay. So here I demonstrate how to construct confidence interval using formula and using data analysis plus.